Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Swapaxes function and what is the difference between Swapaxes function and transpose function. So first of all, let's understand first. At first we have to import NumPy library as we already imported. So here we are checking what are the parameters it will take by using of help function. So here we are taking help function np.swapaxes, and here you can find the what parameters and what it will return. So in what is the syntax of swapaxes? A comma axis 1 and axis 2. What is A? A represent input array, axis 1 is first axis, axis 2 is the second axis. What will it return? It will return an array. So let's understand by using of one example. So here is, it's not a, it's a 3D. Okay, same example we can take so that it will be easy to solve for you. Okay, here you can find it's a 2D array. If you want to find out the shape of that array. Okay, there is one row and three columns. Okay, let's understand. Now if we going to swap its value, np dot swap access, we have to put first of all array, after that axis 1 0 or 1. There are only two dimensions, 0 axis and 1 axis, row axis and column axis. You can see here, you can find out that it will convert into rows into columns and columns into, it is works like a transpose function only in this case. But what is the difference between swap axis and transpose, we will see. If we want to find out the shape, b dot shape. Okay, here you can find out that number of rows is 3 and number of column is 1. Now if we have three-dimensional data or 3D array, what will happen now? Okay, it's access 3D array, and if you want to find out, like, it will take value 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, x dot shape, here you can find two array, two rows and two columns. Okay, and now we are doing a swap access on that. So we will store into a y np dot swap access. We have to give array axis. There are three axes available because it's a 3D array. So 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. Okay, this is the main difference. We have, in transpose case, we can, in access parameter, we can give 3 inside a tuple or a list, but here we can't give a 3 axis. This is for your example purpose, I have written 3, so you can give only 2. Now let's find values are changed, shape will be same because we are changing only values of 0 and 1, but shape will be same. Shape you can find out 2 comma 2 comma 2. You can also swap different values 2 comma 1 also. Shape will be same but values are changing. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 at initial 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can also change. You can also check this 0 2 diagonal value are changed. 0 1 2 3 1 3 here and 4 6 here diagonal value are changed. You can change values of 2 axis by using of swap function, but in transpose we have to give the dimension of 3 inside axis and we can change accordingly. That is the main difference. Swap axis we have to give only 2 dimensions, but in transpose we can give 3 dimensions inside a axis parameter. That is the main difference. That's all for today. Keep learning and stay safe. Thank you very much.